Yo, miawezo ve strong Eʋegbe le CEANA media. Alo nukpɔƒe, alo TV. Yo. Dynamic.
Gamesu.
Miva.
Mi strong Eʋegbe. Miva. Opo Ghane. Gamesu. All right. Well.
Yo. Dynamic. Miracle Elegbo. Ne Egbafe. War now.
All right. Yo. Akwebe. Nilafia Egba. To listen to us. To learn and to enjoy the language called Eʋegbe. Now, last week, Mejago viade ye me bio reading for Professor Dekorn. All of a sudden, I ran into French somewhere on the same page. I don't know what I had done. So I made a little error. And here we are. Let me introduce him again. Professor Hope Kwami Dekorn is a lecturer and early career researcher at the Department of Education of the University of Education, Winneba. He holds a BA in Ewe Education and a master's in philosophy in Ghanaian Language Studies, that is particularly Ewe, from the University of Education, Winneba. He is currently a PhD student at the Linguistics Department of the University of Ghana. His areas of interest include the grammar and syntax of Ewe and the morphology of Ewe and translation, that is, that of English and Ewe. He also has a keen interest in the Ghana Togo Mountain, quote unquote, GTM languages and the language of Ewe cluster in general. Prof, sorry, Bear, Mijago, the last time with your intro. Here we are. I'd like to introduce to you again Nufialaga Egba is Professor Dekorn.
Yo, akpe da nami. Ta Egba miegba jege mia akwera mia tando français gbevie ha ta na introduction na gake alo dedefia ta mede kuku na mi ga kongu hala be français a menye français gbedola mienyo ta ko mi gbagba jemko ta mi de kuku na mi yo ke ma français gbemeto Monsieur Hope Mliwomor Kwami Dekorn est maître de conférences et chercheur en début de carrière au Département de l'éducation de Ewe de l'Université d'éducation de Winneba. Il est titulaire d'un baccalauréat en éducation Ewe et d'une maîtrise en études de la langue ghanéenne Ewe de l'Université d'éducation de Winneba. Il est actuellement doctorant au Département de linguistique de l'Université du Ghana. Ses domaines d'intérêt comprennent la grammaire et la syntaxe de l'Ewe, la morphologie de l'Ewe. Oui, merci. Merci beaucoup.
Bon. Très bien.
Mercy. Yo, akwe ta ke mi agata mi shi akwe na Professor Ho Dekorn Egbon.
All right.
Yo, akpe re mon popota be mi gava dogo. Ni chomi jena no goma. Mi ro fiaro ta egba mi ga jibe mi ga yiji. Kaka ma dogo na no hiu kama jibe ma awo mi haro chu nwenya nyapa enwonwonlo sro Eʋegbe a makwe na mi project ya sro la ngochi magare le tama ga kama no jejemu ta nya alam kurem ta sro la edire ngochi ma s r o ta edire ngochi ma ta azu sro ta ngochi magbele o la tama
Srɔ.
yo sro akpenami okay. Majiba magada kpere mon popota maje egome kple miaƒe nyitsɔ eva hiã be ma aƒo ŋu tso Eʋegbe sɔsrɔ̃ atu ƒo tso Eʋegbe sɔsrɔ̃ ŋuti alo ale yi ke Eʋegbe ŋɔŋlɔ va tsɔ dze gɔme gake nyitsɔ ma eyama mete ɖe mɔ na mi o ta ewoe be nyemete wo ŋu ma o ke egbe la madzi be ma adze agbagba awo akpama be mi katã miate ŋu akpo eʋawo ƒe ŋutinya ku ɖe Eʋegbe sɔsrɔ̃ la ŋuti. Okay. All right. Nuyiwo ke le afia godzia nye mɔ ŋkpɔkpɔ nye be afi mia awɔ vɔ nuyiwo nate ŋu su mia si nye taɖodzinu yi ke le mia si le egbe ƒe ŋkekea me ta miade dzesi Eʋegbe ƒe ŋɔŋlɔ dzesiawo medzi be miagbugbɔ agato ŋɔŋlɔ dzesiawo me ake be miate ŋu labe nyitsɔ ma eya meɖe mɔ na mi o ta miakpɔ gbɔ be miate ŋu ayo ŋɔŋlɔ dzesiawo eye miade dzesiwo le enyawo me hã. Okay. Ke nusɔsrɔ̃ le Eʋegbe ŋua miagblɔ be edze gɔme tso eyime ke yevuwo va mia gbɔ vevietɔ dzamawo wodze gbe kaka le miaƒe Eʋegbea ŋuti wo dometɔ yiwo ke edze ŋu lele ɖi gɔmea woƒe taɖodzinu vevietɔ nye be wodzi be Eʋegbea yewoate ŋu ado Eʋegbea eye yewoate ŋu axlẽ Eʋegbea eye wodzi hã vevie be ame yiwo ke yewo mawunya gblɔm na ameawo nate ŋu ase Eʋegbea ye woate ŋu ase gbe yi ke gblɔm yewo le na woate ŋu ase egɔme ya ta wodze Eʋegbea egbe kaka le Eʋegbea ŋu kple ale yi ke wowɔ aŋlɔ Eʋegbea na mi ta ŋkulo le ɖe ŋgɔdoawo ƒe kple wo yomedzelawo ƒe ŋuleɖiwo me kɔa ya ŋuti ko miate ŋu ato atu ƒo le Eʋegbea ŋu wɔ de ta egba Reverend SW Quayle ye nye ame gbãtɔ yi ke ƒo Afrika gbegbɔgblɔ 100 kple edzivɔwo ŋuƒu ɖe agbalẽ aɖe yi ke woɖe ŋkɔ na be Polyglotta Africana yi wota le 1854 alo ƒe 1954 me. Gbegbɔgblɔ yawo dome gbegbɔgblɔ ɖewo le yiwo ke mi yɔna be the Slave Coast Languages alo kluvi ƒuta ƒe gbegbɔgblɔwo. Le kluvi ƒuta ƒe gbegbɔgblɔwo ma míede dzesi gbegbɔgblɔwo abe adaŋkpe yi ke nye adaŋgbe, amfoe, ƒira yi ke nye ƒira, dahume kple maxi. Dahumea yi koe nye efɔgbe yi ke mi yɔna. Efɔgbea mea nu wɔme eve le me, egbetagbe alo dialect wɔme eve le me. Woawoe nye maxi kple gun. Ta ede dzesi gbegbɔgblɔ mawo. Gake le Quayle ƒe nuleɖiawo mea gbegbɔgblɔ atɔ̃hiawo ƒe nya geɖe yiwo ke sɔ miakpɔe be wosɔ kple Eʋegbetɔwo ƒe le gɔmesese ŋu eye wo gade sɔsɔge kple eʋegbetɔwo le tuturo hã ŋu ale ko ŋlɔ nyawo lia wo de sɔsɔge hã nenema ke yi ke ɖi fia bena egbe hewoa wo kple eʋegbea wonye gbe aɖewo yiwo ke ɖi wo nɔewo. Jebis Klegel yi hã ede dzesi ʋegbe ƒe gbetagbe atɔ̃ ɖe eƒe agbalẽ yi ke wòɖe ŋkɔ na be Sklusel zur Ewe Sprache eye wota le eƒe 1959 me le Stuttgart le Berlin afi ma wota agbalẽ ma le. Gbetagbe yiwo ke wòde dzesia wowoe nye that is gbetagbe nye dialect ma wonye Amfoe, Dahume, Wita yi ke nye Hira kple Aŋlɔ kple Mahi. Gbetagbe yawo ƒe akpa gãtɔ nye eyiwo ke Quail yi ke hã wòdɔ le ƒe 1954 me yi ke míkpɔ va yi ede dzesiwo abe gbegbɔgblɔ nuɖokuisiwo ene gake ame ya va de dzesiwo be wonye gbegbɔgblɔ ɖewo yiwo ke nye alɔdzi ne gbegbɔgblɔ ɖe ko. Ne míetsɔ gbetagbe ƒe nyawo yiwo ke dze le ŋuleɖiawo me kple enya mawo ƒe tutuɖowo kɔsɔ míakpɔ ale yi ke míwo ŋlɔmee egba eye míade dzesi be wosɔ le go geɖe me negbe ego ʋɛ aɖewo me kuvu totovi vivi aɖewo va le nya aɖewo me le edɔ yi ke Dietrich Westermann kple wotɔwo wɔ le eʋegbea ŋua ewɔe be woƒe ŋkɔ mavɔ le ŋu gake hafi Westermann kple wotɔwo na awɔ dɔ gbãtɔ Dr. Ernest Henrici eƒe agbalẽ aɖe yi ke wòɖe ŋkɔ na be Lebrut de Epe Sprache yi ke wota le ƒe 1991 me yi hã wote le Berlin. Ame dzi be míalé ŋku ɖe ŋu míakpɔe be ame yiwo ke wòdɔ geɖe le eʋegbea ŋua wonye ame yiwo ke enye German yevuawo eyiwo ke va eno mía gbɔ eye wo ekpɔ bena edze be yewo aŋlɔ eʋegbea alo yewo dɔ le eʋegbea ŋu be yewo zẽ eʋegbea atsɔ akake mawunya ne ame yiwo ke yewo va mawunya gblɔm na. Ta agbalẽ ma yi ke Ernest Henrici ŋlɔ ma ede dzesi eʋegbe ƒe alɔdzewo abe aŋlɔ, anexɔ kple dahume ene. Ya ta egbea mígblɔna be egbegbɔgblɔ yiwo ke le efɔ mígblɔna be yi hã nye eʋegbe ko alo mígblɔna be is also part of the Gbe language cluster. That in the Gbe language cluster we have Ewe, we have Fon, we have Flaflera, we have Gen and all other languages. Ta le afi ma godzia le gbalẽ ma efie ŋu tso gbeɖiɖiwo kple wotɔwo keŋ kple enyawo eʋegbe ƒe tutuɖowo ŋuti eye wòtɔ si nya ha vovovowo dzi le eʋegbea me. Le Henrici yoma afi Dietrich Westermann yi hã nye German yevuwo ke ame ma ewɔ dɔ gã geɖe le míaƒe eʋegbea ŋu le gbegbe. Ya ta megblɔe do ŋgɔ be hafi ame ŋgɔdowo nava yia hafi le ŋgɔdoawo megbea ye nye ame yi ke gava wɔ dɔ geɖewo le eʋegbea ŋuti. Ta wɔ dɔ le gbea ƒe gbeɖiɖiwo enyawo ŋuti va se ɖe eʋegbea ƒe lekewɔnuwo abe egliwo, alobalowo, adzowo kple ehawo kpakple xotutu. Ewɔ dɔ geɖe le numawo katã ŋuti le eʋegbea me. Ta edɔ yiwo ke wɔ le eʋegbea ŋua ewɔe be eƒe ŋkɔ mavɔ le eʋegbea ŋu akpɔ. Le ƒe 1995 mea Westermann ede dzesi xaxa gbeɖiɖiwo le eʋegbea ŋuti. Eya ke te eʋegbe nya aɖewo hã ƒoƒu eye wòwɔ what we call a diglot, the Ewe diglot, where you have the Ewe word, we have English words and their translation into Ewe and their translation into the English language, which is a diglot. Ere ŋkɔ nɛ be gbesela yeye. Ere English gbenya aɖewo hã gɔme ɖe eʋegbe fiala hã me. So eŋlɔ gbalẽ aɖe hã yi ke woɖe ŋkɔ na be a study of the Ewe language le ƒe 1990 me eye wòde dzesi xaxa gbeɖiɖiwo ɖe woƒe ehatsotsowo me. Okay, vestama kwa nyahio ke gbedidio ko dejesia le egbema odomoto ko va change alo over totrom ka ke gerawo a wo kata wo le etepe nenema pepe ipa blore gbedidio ko dejesia na mi le gbama ha wo kata wo le nenema pepe FK potake iya nye amare ke dejesia eseyo ke kure gbengongronchi le teachers journal ma le fakpere kalofa shikibla atonvo adem tso mai di va sere egbe atotro gerewo gava begba ngonglo tamia globe puta kenya amegbanto ebawo ntonto pe amegbanto domoto reka eike edejeshi ebegbe ape epe enyaro ploto nami hafi amegerawo gava eplero sam obiani ihe jagbagba le begbamu sam obiani ma enya Bajamoto onye cho miape Togo Mountain languages awofe akpare kayo cho ya wudogere le begbam nami ete ebegbamchi unya akpagbanto le pakpere ka lofa sheke bla toma eye akpavelia ehiregu le pakpere ka alofa sheke bla atonvo enaliama ka amabubuo ha gawo edogerele ebegba sosronchi sikenyomi ihe awudole ebegba sosronchi eyape enya yoke le dari kure enya how the word classes, how we can mention the word classes in Ewe, or how we can appropriately name them in Ewe was started by sikenyomi eje maogoma do maogoma nami hafi amamamleo eva ayire eji ma block wana le ngmerere nwa sike nyomila enya megbanto ike eje ngmerere tso vegbanchi me edze vegba kore ngme tso vegbanchi ekpojigera hafi ya ipe yi nava amegerawo no ngmerem tso vegbanwo oza Eʋegbe eko owoni ga ke pe ngmerere kure evegbanwo eze evegbe so echowowe hekpere do ike wonwa edejeshi ŋlo eʋegbe ƒe tuturo eŋlo tso ʋegbe ƒe tuturo ŋuti eye wòfiem geɖewo yike wòɖe ŋkɔ na be the study of Ewe locative nominals yote le aƒakpe ɖeka lɔƒe asieke bla adre-vɔ asiekelia me menye eya ɖeka ko Bureau of Ghana Languages hã ewɔ dɔ le ʋegbea ŋuti wova de dzesi be ehiã be ʋegbea ale yike mi ŋlɔ mea mía gbogbo aŋlɔ nɔlɔ ɖeka dzi ya ta wokpe ʋegbe ŋuti nunyalawo tso Togo, Benin kple teƒe mawo kple Ghana tɔwo katã wova nɔ anyi eye le ƒakpe ɖeka alɔfa asieke bla asiekevɔ atɔ̃lia ma woɖe agbalẽ aɖe ɖe go eye wota agbalẽ ma le again le 1997 yike nye ƒakpe ɖeka alɔfa asieke bla asiekevɔ adrelia me enye enyamama le eʋegbe ŋɔŋlɔ me ame mawo ƒe agbagba dzedzewo kple wotɔwo katã wodze le míaƒe eʋegbe ŋɔŋlɔ kple eʋegbe sɔsrɔ̃ me ke ame mamlĩa yiwo ke gava nɔ wo yoma wonye SK Amegashi kple FK Atakpa wodze agbagba geɖe le eʋegbea fiafia kple kadodo yiwo ke nɔ nyawo doma le eʋegbe ŋɔŋlɔ ma wodze agbagba geɖe le wo ŋuti SK Amegashi eŋlɔ eʋegbe ŋɔŋlɔ eye nenema ke Amegashi egado nusɔsrɔ̃ le eʋegbea ƒe tuturo ŋu haɖe ŋgɔ to eʋegbe ƒe tuturo ŋɔŋlɔ me enyawo gɔmesese hã ganye agbalẽ ɖeka yike SK Amegashi gaŋlɔ le eya yomea míakpɔe be ame aɖewo hã gawɔ dɔ abe nufialaga aɖe nɔ Legon yike míyɔna be Professor Dati ya megale agbe egbe Professor Dati ya wɔ dɔ geɖewo le eʋegbea ƒe tuturo kple eƒe enya aɖewo ŋuti ko magblɔ be le míaƒe eʋegbea ŋutia amehewo nye ame yiwo ke wɔ dɔ geɖewo na mí eye wona be eʋegbea ezɔ ɖe ŋgɔgbe Dana mi le afi ma. Afia mi ɖo fia madzi be míaƒe kpotutua wɔwoe nye ma ta agazɔ ɖe ŋgɔgbe gake míaƒo dometsotso aɖe.
Yo, míawɔ ye fifia. All right. Hey, history ele heavy lo the people seem to have loved us. They seem to have really loved the other language, or maybe where they lived, around the coastal areas or whatever. Just love the other people to have done all this research. Yeah, and I was going to ask, Nukata or take time to do all that for us. Other than loving us, I think, like you said, in order for them to communicate with us, especially with the religion and all those things that are coming. So that's very interesting to know.
Actually.
Another grammar.
They wanted to speak to the hearts of the people, and they needed a language to do so.
Naturally.
So when you speak to an individual in the language that he understands, it gets into his heart.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Yes. That's the kind of thing we try to teach the children, in our agile learning, for 3 years, so that if they have a word, if they're able to speak to you nicely, respectfully, with some etiquette around it, naturally you're gonna really like them and try to help them. Yeah. So, like you said, you didn't say it today, but then if you teach an expatriate a few words, it goes a long way to them in whatever country that they are in. Okay. Dr. Wanyamedeku, nami interlude there. You have a short,
Yo, Apprende, Professor Dekorn, Nguyao, o Defiami, Efia, Enyonto, Elabe, Jivamias, Nui Mogom. Abe Ale Mionto Miana, Miatok Biopla, Mia Mamawa, Echa Onglo, Ngede, Yono, Egypte, Nibaji. Ta gake mi movabu ngonglo movabu alabe ta mieda pene Aƒetɔ Dekorn onami ale mi gavaje ngonglo gome ta akpe ke mereku mi egbona pi mi egbona akpe na mi.
Ao mi glena bosanuba ao blo novio mi glena satana ba ao blo novio mi glena bosanuba ao blo novio mi glena satana ba ao blo 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 mi glena bosanuba ao blo novio mi glena satana ba ao bloe ao jokato jojo nya 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 dala yesu regbe jokato jojo nya 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 jokato jojo nya 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 dala yesu regbe jokato jojo nya 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 ao mi glena bosanu ba ao blo novio mi glena satana ba ao bloe ao mi glena bosanu ba ao blo novio mi glena satana ba ao blo 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 mi glena bosanu ba ao blo novio mi glena satana ba ao blo jokato jojo nya 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 dala yesu regbe jokato jojo nya 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 Ajato jojo nya 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 dala yesu regbe jokato jojo nya 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 ao mi glena bosanu ba ao blo novio mi glena satana ba ao blo novio mi glena bosanu ba ao blo novio mi glena satana ba ao blo
Hey. Enyamto. Fifiala Bemia Alay Professor Blair, spelling of Noah, we'll put the accent. French accent. I don't know. I guess it's not the only one I know is accent Eʋegbe. That one I remember. So I don't know what this accent is, but we will do it. Yeah. All right, cap off. And I could use your low.
Yo, apa? Ta le hama. Roko ba sroma makpola ma go je ya gaba umi. Ta ya okle o ma gala ma go ha. Yo, amala makple ba ye na mi ala kura apa.
Yo, nyatope. Alabe mwike enye mveviare kana glovia prof. Alaba oma yema myepo ngia myepo ha myepo via ngonglo mala ma shron ajabe onye o ikelale C inverted in English C, so the mirror image of C. Gakea nwike nyekpona jigede nyebe miafe keyboard or computer keyboard platomo a gedewa miafe ngonglo jeshima omele ojio ta enana be nenyebe nengwanglo ma meten vegbe tomo togbi wogel gake ni jojo menyebe fifia ni high tech company gedewa ogbagba jembele ke yowe alebeke ne keyboard mao anonyi ke ne vegbe kple Africa gbe kple gbe bubu yo ke ofe nyo menye Latin oh they are not based on Latin they can communicate
Akpe. Yo,
alrighty.
Vivi ko mi o ko ni o da dogbo ta ayo nyoga.
Yeah.
Hey,
alright.
yeah.
So over to you, Prof.
Akpe. Yo, ka biaro la fia gaka. Nyama jiba mia aro unchi ore mia pare yata mia zore ngogbere. Ne mia lankure nwi kami wonyi chova ye. Ama ko ba yama ma ba de mia ju. Ta enwo gere wo miete esewo. Ta ma jiba ma ji alankure Eʋegbe pe ngonglo je shi o ma ga mia ga juru ma egba. Akpira be nkawe ele wo manami ha mi wo ngonglo je shi un dole mi afa ngonglo ma ne mi ba mi anglun afun na ma mi ngonglo je shi o mi wo un chi do plus susu be mi at ngonglu wa amana te se goma are mi afa susu oglo to enya o ple nya gbe o zazama ngonglo je shi o kala mi ashi le Eʋegbe ma o ma bla toy ne mi ba ngonglo je shi ato ovu na gbedidi o gbedidi awo enye nwi yo kami le mfo enye mfo to kakele ngonglo ma nwi yo kami zana which are the graphemes, and we are talking about the graphemes which are the alphabets ye penya glomi le enye ngonglo je shi awo blaton ile mi shi le Eʋegbe ma ngonglo je shi blaton ma wo nya reke to cho abedere va sere z ta wo nya ayo ke bona ajiba ma akhlo nya ayo mia kpo pe yoyo ple ne mi wovo nya ba azan wo le enyawo ma ngonglo je shi yo la fi reke to ku he eva jona ba ngonglo je shi aro no na nya yo ke wo pu na kli wo reka afufu ako anya mi reka anya yoyo reka oyo alu anya ngonglo reka ngonglo onya ablore onya ngonglo je shi pu kli o reke to onya hayo ne mi kwe mi akwe wo pe lolo to plus sweet to we eli the upper case and the lower case agbanto nya a levelenya b d D. E. Yoko la nyamai Fu. Ayanya mia ka okla fua oda oni origa. Okla fua oda oni origa gaka amahe ashikiara le yate ta fua umi va da shikirete ko ariba fu. G. K. L. Z. Yo akpa ta nyapa agbadidiawo ngonglo jeshiawo yo kala nyashia wo nyama kaka abale kama gble na ngonglo jeshia roli yo kanya ngonglo jeshi yo ka fokuli owureka tani mi ko k plap afofo mi ko na p na mi ko g plap afofo mi ko na b na mi ko t plus ako fofo mi ko na ch na mi ko d plus afofo azuna j mi o kata pogale nyauma yata mi ga chi jikro mi o pogale nyauma ngoma ale ke mi yona o le nyauma mi o pogale afima j aka yaru yeli mi kona o da to ha t s play no nya bodogwo mi yone ba chi Na mi ko n kple ye ekɔkpe mi kpɔna nyi. Mi kpɔna nyi. Ema enya yo kema mi kpɔnɛ la enye nyi, nyɔ, nyo, nya kple bubuawo. Azɔ miale ŋku ɖe wo ŋuti le enyawo me. A. Enya yiwo keme mi kpɔ a la wo nye he a. Egbeɖiɖi ma nye ablɔɖe gbeɖiɖi alo ŋɔŋlɔ dzesi yi ke nye ablɔɖetɔ. A. Miakpɔ le nyawo me abe ame. Ame. Avu. 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 Ame is human. Human. Avu. Avu. Dog. Dog. Ja. Ja. Ja could mean to rain, something to rain. To rain. Or any other meaning. Ja. Ja. J. A. Ja. Ŋɔŋlɔ dzesi b. 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 Miekpɔ nyawo abe b. B. Or b. B. To hide. To hide. Or b. That is a kind of plant. B. The one that is used to build thatch. It's thatch actually, to build a thatch house. Thatch. Bleu. 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 It could be a tail. Bleu. A tail. Or to deceive someone. Abo. 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 So we can see b. Alo miakpo b le afima go diake abo. Abola is arm. Arm. Abo. Arm. Arm. D. 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 Yekpo nyao abe da. Da. Snake. Da. Snake. De. De. E. De. De. E. De.
De.
That could mean palm nuts. Palm nuts. De.
The Dechi.
The Dechi. De. De.
The.
Do.
Do.
Do. Town. 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 Do. The.
Do.
Do. Town. The. Do. Town.
Town.
Ado. A-d. O. Ado. Squirrel.
Ado.
Ado. Squirrel.
Ado.
Adon.
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 Adon. Adon.
Adon.
Dre. 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 Dre.
Dre.
Dre. Dre. Dre.
Dre. Dre.
Dre. Dre.
It's nasal. It's tonal. I can't get it.
Dre. Dre.
Yeah. Dre.
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 As in adu. Adu. Tooth. Adu. Adu. U. Adu. Adu.
Adu.
Adu. Tooth.
Adu.
Dre. Dra. Hair. Dra. Hair. Dra. Hair. Ad. 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 E. Ad.
Ade.
Ad. Ade.
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 Which is ade, which is tongue. Tongue. The tongue. Our
Oh,
tongue.
yes. Yes.
Ade.
Hmm.
Do.
Do.
Or do. Do or do. Do is gunpowder. Do. Do is gunpowder. Or it could mean do, which is to eat. Do, to eat.
Do. Madunu.
Madunu, do, to eat.
Do.
E.
E. E.
E. Aha.
E.
So, le ngonglo ma. Enya, miapo nyao le ma abe fe. Or fe, depending on the tone. Gberoro ikene dare eji. Yata nyahe yo mala. Manya nyahe o katanya. Atenwa anya wi yoyo bubu ale ikene yue. Gakeka yo mala. These are the ones that I am saying that we can, they are just examples. Onya yoko, onya korangu yoke blomale. Ta fur, which could be a claw, fur, claw, fur, fur, claw, ke, sand.
Sand. Okay.
Sand.
I remember.
Sand.
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 Te.
Te.
Te. Which is yam.
Te.
Yam.
Te. I need to know.
It could mean a different thing if a different tone is on it. Te. Yam. In words like le, which is a kind of fruit. It's a kind of fruit that we eat. Le. It's a kind of fruit. I don't know the actual English name, but it's a kind of fruit. Elle, it's a kind of fruit. Then te, which is an ant.
Yeah.
Your aunt, your father's sister, your father's sister, or your mother's sister.
Yeah.
Is an aunt. So te, che, which is a twin, one of the first of two male twins, which is che. Or it could be someone's younger, a younger person to another person. So che. All right. Fu. So we get words like fu, enyao above fu, which is feather. Fu, feather.
Okay.
Fu. For, it could be to wake up, or for, to pick. For or for. For, to wake up, or for, to pick.
Okay.
So we can see it in another word like fear or fear. Fear to teach, or fear. Or fear, which is a chief. Chief. Fu. Can you see the way I pronounce it? Fu. No, fu. No, the two lips must actually come together. The upper and the lower lip must come together. Ejifo tokle anyibato elebe wova emoviare na no ya na dogo atoma.
You.
Fu. Aha, fu. Fu. Okay. Fu. In this la kayama nyakpo enyao aba fe. Fe.
Fe.
Allo fe, which is fe, which is year.
Yeah.
Fe,
Year.
year.
Now. Mm-hmm.
Fe, year.
Fe.
Year.
Fe.
Then we can have fu, which is bone. Fu.
Yeah. Fu.
Bone. Fu, bone. We can have fo, which is to beat, or cereal. Cereal is also fo. That kind of I don't know. It's a cereal is actually, it can also be called fo, or to beat.
Okay.
Or it could also mean the stomach. It can also be fo.
Apple. That's why they say fufu. That is. I mean, like expecting. That's a fu.
No,
right?
No, yeah, fu. But this one is fu. So it's the fu actually is in the previous alphabet, which is fu. This one.
Oh,
fu,
okay.
Pregnancy.
Yeah.
It could be pregnancy.
Oh, okay. It's in this one. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Really interesting.
All right.
Just speak it.
Okay. So g. So you can have words like g. Words like g, which is actually, it could be beard, a beard of a man. So it's g. Ga, which is money. Ga. Money. Ga. Money. Gla. Jaw. The jaw. Gla. Jaw. Yeah. The jaw. Gla. Jaw. All right. Yeah. So we have words like which is the sun. Sun.
Yeah. View.
Sun. Then we have to hide. To hide.
Yeah.
To hide. White. White. Her. As in word like ha, which is pig, ha, or it could be ha, song, or it could also mean to take a major part of something hurriedly because you are holding something to yourself. So ha. When someone is holding something to himself, ha. Ha. And it could be song, or it could also mean a pig. A clan. 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 Yeah. Here. Poverty. Here. Poverty. Or here, which is to need something, to need, or to need something.
Yeah.
Okay. Her.
That's different.
So, yeah. So the other one was her. The other one, this one is her. This is her. But this one is her. Yeah. So we have ho, house. Ha, broom. Ha, broom. Yeah. Herky, umbrella. Herky, umbrella. E. So, anyhow, about ati stick or tree. A tree or stick. Ati. C to run away. C to run away. Chi. C to run away. Chi, water. Chi, water. Or to grow. Chi, to grow. K. Yeah, K. As in, anyhow, about ko. K or ko. Neck. Or ko, to take. To carry something up. Ko. K, which is sand. Sand. Sand.
Okay.
Claw. To wash.
To wash, clean.
Wash. A hard thing. When you are washing something hard, we say that you are unwalklong. That may be different when you are washing something that is soft. Okay. Claw. No. Dynamic.
Yes, sir. You want a little break in there so that I can get my energy back.
Yes, please.
Okay. Me over in two minutes.
Ao mi glena bosanu ba ao blo novio mi glena satana ba ao blo novio mi glena bosanu ba ao blo novio mi glena satana ba ao blo 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 mi glena bosanu ba ao blo novio mi glena satana ba ao bloe ao jokato jojo nya 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 dala Yesu regbe jokato jojo nya 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 jokato jojo nya 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 dala Yesu regbe jokato jojo nya 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 ao mi glena bosanu ba ao blo novio mi glena satana ba ao bloe ao mi glena bosanu ba ao blo novio mi glena satana ba ao blo Zokato jojo nya nya nya, dala ya Srɔƒe. Zokato jojo nya nya nya. Ajato jojo nya nya nya, dala ya Srɔƒe. Zokato jojo nya nya nya. Ao migbe na bosanu ba, ao blo novio. Migbe na satana ba, ao blo. Novio migbe na bosanu ba, ao blo novio. Migbe na satana ba, ao blo.
All right. I was just
Yo, Akpe.
Akpe.
All right. You ready? You ready? I'm not just you got plural. My jire.
Oh, Doc. Yeah, is here. Hello.
Barakwe,
Hey.
hello.
Me
Na me habu bujima. Nyata.
do he me maybe 5 minutes are there.
Yo,
Hey.
thank you.
Okay, so maybe 5 more no he go. Okay,
5 more alphabets.
We have some questions, sir. Na madene nanele amade.
Bia delia.
La Malaysia.
So Gabia dele amade share. Nkweda afuma kona. Doc na wani.
Bia delia ama tana. Kayo gbona mi ogal gbegbe ade yo ha mi ana amo na tan yo alave ke na mi yo ka mi ko na mi apa Nufialaga lo professor ke ke mi bia okwa ke ade yo akpe.
Okay. Kamadeko, are you jinami for another 5 letters are there?
Ayo,
We don't want you to stop. It's just too interesting.
All right, Akpe. Na nya ngomlo jashi kele nya ngoenya aha ta ajala nyaw ma ba lo crocodile lo crocodile
Oh.
crocodile
Lo.
Agaja le nyama ba long laugh or to laugh yeah
To love, yeah, law.
to laugh long yeah to laugh
Law.
to laugh claw
It's like
claw
claw.
yeah claw
Like
claw
claw.
yeah to wash
Yeah. To wash. Just like
to wash claw so
Claw.
the letter is in the alphabet is there right in the middle of the two alphabets K and
Yeah.
O. So claw
Claw. Classy.
yeah classy so we can find it in the word like more, which is road. Road.
Yes.
Road. More.
Molifan. Yeah,
Molifan.
Okay, I know.
So how a child is forced to eat, like a child, when you are forcing a child to drink cocoa, like this kind of jobo, na jiba revia na no jobo plotoma o mi mo na revia more revila. So forcing the child to drink the porridge.
Hold your nose.
Yes, that's it.
Your nose is.
Yes.
Their noses.
Mo.
They did it to all of us.
Yeah, mu. Mu is mosquito.
Mu.
Mu, mosquito. Mu. It could be mu. To fall. When something falls, mu. To fall.
Okay.
Ami.
Ami. Oh, yeah.
Ami, which is oil. Oil. Ami. Ami.
Part of my name, huh?
Yeah.
I can see the teeth, but I can't bring mine out.
Right. Yeah, you got it.
Okay.
Yeah. So in words like n, which is coconuts. N, coconuts. Yeah. Nu, something. Nu, something. Or nu, mouth. The mouth. Nu, the mouth.
Oh.
Then
La bouche. La bouche.
Yeah. Yeah, la bouche.
Okay.
No, which is the breast. Breast.
Oh,
or
I thought it was
no.
No.
Yeah. No to drink. So when you drinking like breasts. So no. No.
Okay.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, Dr. Gada.
Okay.
If a keyboard, all malagio, you know, me, o ardo, alo, or.
Okay.
Which one is this one?
I could my blonde like So in words like ngo.
Oh.
Yeah, ngo is it's worm, but it could also mean flatulence.
Yes, ngo.
Yeah, it's worm, but it could also mean flatulence.
Ngo. So it's another type of N, right?
Yeah, but this is the taily N.
Taily N.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's so you have ngo. Yeah.
Ngo.
Yeah, ngo is it's worm, but it could also mean flatulence. It could also mean when something when you pierce through, when something is pierced through.
Yes.
You pierce through something.
But like busted.
Yeah. Yeah, you bust the thing. Yeah.
Okay.
So to break. 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 To break. Yes, to break something. When you have something and you break it, you break the thing. It could also mean to grow or to mold.
Okay.
Right.
That's it.
Yeah, to write. To write, or we have to coil.
Oh,
When
to
you
cut.
Yeah,
okay.
coil something. Coil something.
No, okay.
O.
O.
You see it in words like enyawo abe mo, face. Mo.
More. Okay.
Face. Yeah.
More. Mhm.
Mo. To. To there
To.
could mean a mountain. Yeah, to. It could mean a mountain. It could mean the ear. Or it could also mean someone's in-law, your father-in-law. Father-in-law. It could also mean father-in-law.
Okay.
Yeah, or brother-in-law. To.
To. Okay.
Then we have do.
Do.
Which is a hole. A hole.
Do.
Hole. Yeah, hole or a pit. Hole or a pit. Hole or a pit.
Do.
Hole or a pit.
So, Doc, that particular word, can I ask a question?
Yes, ask your question.
For instance, do. We have doto. So,
Doto.
why is it like keep quiet, right? Is that not what that means?
Yeah.
Quiet.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
there's a do and a to come together.
No, it's not the do, it's do. That the alphabet you are using is d, not d.
That one.
The tele d. You are using the tele d. So do.
Okay.
To.
Okay.
So it's actually something that relates to the ear. So they don't want to hear you again. So do to. So to there relates to the ear. They don't want to hear you again. They don't want to hear what you are saying again. So do to.
Okay. All right. Do. Okay. Thank you.
Yo.
Okay.
I think can we
do we have the 5? Do we have the 5, Doc?
Yes, actually. This is I think this is the 6th one, or
I think we can go on forever. So maybe we should just get an interlude and tell us something. Do you see a comment, Prof, do you see any comments that only you can see that maybe you can answer, please? Is it comments that you
I don't have any.
All right. Okay.
I don't have any comment here.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So, Doc, what do you want us to do now? You want us to end it?
Ella Prof, but manya beza dola miomi agbota.
Prof,
yeah. That's fine. I can do that.
It's past 10 o'clock for you now. We know that.
No problem. I can do that. We can actually finish this one for today.
Okay.
Then next week, we are starting a new lesson.
Okay.
Okay.
In words like Tosisi, which is river. Tosisi, river. Tosisi, river.
Oh.
Ko, feast. That is the feast. Where is the feast? Feast. Ko. Or it could also mean to carry. It could also mean to carry. Ko. Edako revia.
Okay. Yeah.
Or atuko revia. Ko. It could also mean to carry. Ko zipila. Zipila. He or she carried the seats. He or she carried the seats. Afo. Foot. Which is the leg.
Foot.
Leg.
Or
the depending on how which part of it you want to describe. So actually afo or the leg or the foot. Yeah, afo. Afo.
Running water.
Po. Yes, Tosisi, which is a running water. Yeah, actually, Tosisi,
Okay.
which
Tosisi.
is river. Yeah, river.
That's what
Yeah,
the person
river
knows.
is running. It's a running water. Yeah.
Water. Okay.
Papa, father, or Papa, Papa, which is a fan, the locally manufactured fan.
Papa,
Papa,
yeah.
Papa. Papi, Hamatan. Papier d'eau, Agba.
Okay.
Papier d'eau, Agba. Pamplo.
I know what Pamplo is.
Bamboo.
Bamboo.
Yeah. Bamboo. Pamplo. Yeah, Pamplo. No. You roll the tongue along the alveolar ridge.
Oh my goodness.
So you have a word like Zro. Yeah, to smoothen something. Smooth, when something is smooth. Zro. The thing is smooth.
Okay.
Zro.
Zro.
It could also mean the action of making something smooth, which is the verb. To make smooth. Tro. To return or to get back.
Tro.
To return or to get back. To return or to get back. Tro.
Najo. Tro.
Yeah, tro. Najo. Tra. To get missing. When you get missing, you get lost. So amatra.
Okay.
When you get missing in the woods, we can say that the person has missed his way, or the person has couldn't find his way around a certain place. We say that ama etra. Yeah. So yeah. Yeah. That miakpele nyauma ba se, which is law. Se law. What was se? What does se nami? What does se nami? Which is actually they have we have been given a law, or we have been given an instruction. Actually, it could also mean an instruction in a context. That se, which is law. Se could also mean God, actually, but the God in God we write it with capital letter. It could also mean se. Someone is saying yes, sir. Yes, depending on the tone. That's why I said the words I put here, they are not exhaustive. They are not exhaustive. They are just few examples for us to see how the alphabets are used.
Yeah. Okay.
So, which is a horse. So, horse. So, horse. Or it could be so, to equate something. Also, So, to equate two things or to equate some things. So. But so is a horse. Asi. Hand. Yeah, hand. Yeah, hand. Asi. Hand. Asi. Or asi. Market. Market. Asi. Market. Yeah, we can find it in words like which is yam. 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 Or it could also mean to bite. To bite. Or it could also mean it could also mean to press something. Press something down. So ta, which is head. Head. Or it could also mean the hedge of something. The hedge of something. Of water. The edge of something. Of water. The edge of something. We call it a ta. Tasi, which is an aunt, your father's sister. Tasi, aunt. Tasi. U. Yeah, Yeah, Yeah. Nyakwele nyauma abe mosquito. 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 Or when something falls down. When something falls down. Do, as in town. And avu, as in dog. Avu, dog.
Yeah, avu.
Vu. Yeah, vu. Yeah. We have it in words like v, a child, v, child, child, or v, small, the small of something, v, small, v, kusivi adelasinye. I have a small basket. Agbavi adelasinye. I have a small plate. V, which is neck. It means when something is bitter or something is scarce. When something is bitter or something is scarce, the chia level or the chia vento, the soup is bitter, very bitter. Or you can also say a gala, it means that food is scarce. Food is scarce. So ver means something that is scarce as well. Avo, as in cloth. Avo, cloth. Cloth. Vous. Yeah, that's it. Vous. No, it's not. Don't. It's the two leaves that are actually doing the upper and the lower lip. Vu.
Okay.
Vu. So, miakpele nyao abe v, which is a whole, whole. Miakpele nyao abe vo, door, vo, door, door. We can also see it in words like vous, which is a vehicle or lorry or whatever, any one of them, or canoe. A canoe is also vous, but we qualify it with toji, vous, when we want to talk about the canoe.
The one that goes on the sea.
Yeah. So vous, it's a vehicle or etc. All right. We. As in words like wo, powder, something that is powdery. So you can have corn flour, etuwo, edawo, and all that. Woo or woo, to kill. Awudala, he killed the snake. Awudala, he killed the snake. Or woo, when something supersedes. A dollar wumi. A dollar wumi, the work, it means that the work supersedes us. We can, it's over our limits. So wulo is it's another word for la. It's another word for la. Wulo in some dialects of Ewe. When some people will say la, others will say wulo, which is also to hide. To hide. To hide.
Okay.
Yeah. As in words like ya, air, or wind. Air, or wind. Ye, cutlass. Cutlass. Or ye, to go.
Okay.
Ye, spider. Spider.
Okay.
Yeah. Yo, to call. Yo, to call. Yo, to call. Or yo, lies. That's
the one
insects that lives in the hair. Yo, lies. That lives in the hair, in the human hair. Yo. Or yo, which is to actually to be in an unusual hurry to do something. Impatient. You are impatient. So yo will also mean impatience. Z. It's in words like za. Night. Night.
Zado.
Yeah, night.
Za.
Or za. When you do something and you do something hurriedly, you do the thing in a very precise way, in a hurried manner, precise way. In a hurried manner. Okay. Z, which is pot.
Oh, okay.
Pot.
Yeah.
Pot. 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 Zo is a bigger pot. So we are talking about Z, which is a pot, but it's smaller than zo, which is bigger. So a bigger pot, the bigger one is called zo. Zo.
So.
Zo. Okay. Now the diphthongs, we are now talking about the these particular alphabets, the alphabets that are more than one. They are more than one. Oh.
I want to bet yeah.
Eza woyedo abalo glonen Victor Prof Ipe Amo Dr. Dogbe head of department Plato Gata Olafia Eza Donauta ke mia ada kukuna mashama be mia cho egbeto asedafia alabe koshira egbona mamne dagbe ha miega fia noga alabe Nufialaga alo Professor Dekorn aga to troga agbobe mia dom alabe mia dakpe mia cho monpopo yakpe damna Professor Dekorn ble Dr. Emmanuel Dogbe Ikenye head of department na University of Education Winneba Department of Ewe Education where only omnami mien get a strong choafia me dakpe na wale ontone yide history alo Jojom nyao vai obe nyemakarijo mayunyo gake cho lamangio kanyo wale egba ewo vado egbe ale miegba nglome plato mogata miedakpe na alo miedakpe na miafe department University of Education Winneba kata akpenami yo danami mereku welcome.
It's, I mean, I would love to just keep on going. Like Doc kept reminding us, you guys are 5, almost 6 hours ahead of us. 5, you know, that's the mere Doc Penami. I just didn't think it was going to be this way. It's really, really good. The other professors who are also probably in the background listening to us, everything they're doing, just their spirits being there, you know, is helping us. And you know, we hope that you'll go on our lines and give us some good comments. And if you have any questions, you know, you can always ask. You can always ask. The other thing too is, like Doc said, next time we are going to make sure, well, we'll try because to try to make sure that, or to see really, if you can ask questions whilst the show is on. So Doc, let me a good one nice music there. Give us some good music to go now. Thank you. Yes, we have.
Yo. Akpe ke yima egbeto ha afia meko sede ya obe vi ma vonale agalago ma o obe Nufialaga prof la fia na yima glenyo kemere ku na
vivi ma vonale
correct na mark
vivi ma vonala goku afi okoni fuogo
agokun okone fogo
alo agon afi okone fogo yeah
yo akpe yo teliko hayada
madu hebiara agbajaya oh okay well baby it on. Apprende Milo. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Go online, subscribe. Whatever you have. I can dance with it.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, Pepper. What am I want to hear that?
I can't hear anything.
We are going to be learning this Ewe, how to write, how to sing, how to dance it. It's all in learning. So, keep tuned every Saturday. And if you have questions, send them to us. They can be answered next week. Also.
Thank you. One day, you know, that is where we know the differences. One day. Yeah.
Right? Yeah, because we'll be getting new, interested learners. Wow. So they will have to know.
Yeah.
Yo. Apprende Milo.
Thank you very much.
Yo, thank you. Yo,
Apprende.
Yo, help me. Yo, yeah. Aƒetɔ hã fi mi ko sɛnyia. Bye bye.
Give us a stargaze.
Sorry, it's not okay.
Give us a stargaze.
Okay.
Oh, we are not leaving. But you know we'll be learning from. All right.
Okay. Yo, okay. Yeah, man.